there was a cardboard box of 500,000 centimeters cubed. So this immediately gives us volume, okay? Determine the dimensions, so length, width, and height, of the square-based prism box that will require the least amount of cardboard, okay? So in order to use the least amount of cardboard, which is surface area, with a given volume, what we have to do is we have to use the only number that we're given, okay? So we're given volume. We know that volume equals S cubed, right? Length with height, SSS. So it's going to be 500,000 equals S cubed. So what we actually do, we've seen this before for squared, where we square root it. Okay, this is a little bit different. We have to cubed root it, okay? So 500,000 cubed root. And I get S equals 79 point, let's round to 4, okay, centimeters. Okay, so the dimensions are going to be, therefore, dimensions are 79.4 by 79.4 by 79.4. Okay, and B, find the amount of cardboard. So the amount of cardboard, that's just looking for surface area. So now, required to make this box. So now that we've used the volume to find the side length, we can just simply find surface area. We know it's 6s squared, okay? So 6 times 79.4 squared, okay? 6 times 79.4 squared. Put in our calculator, 37,826.16. And because this is surface area, this is going to be measured in centimeters squared. So therefore, surface area equals 37,826.16 centimeters squared. Okay? Okay, next one. Determine the dimensions of the square-based prism. So again, it's square-based, okay, with a maximum volume. So we're trying to find the maximum volume. So again, we know it's going to be a cube that can be formed using 5,400 centimeters squared of cardboard. This time, centimeters squared, if you think about it, that's surface area. Okay? And then it asks for the actual volume. So first, determine the dimensions. So we know that the surface area is 6s squared. So 5,400 equals 6s squared. We divide both sides by 6. Okay? 5,400 divided by 6, I get 900 equals s squared. And this is where that root comes into place. Okay? If something's squared, then we square root it. But if something's cubed, then we cube root it. Okay? So I get s equals 30. Okay? So therefore, the dimensions are 30 by 30 by 30. Okay? There's always going to be 3 numbers here for any rectangular prism. Okay, and if we want to solve for the volume, volume equals s cubed, length with height. So we just have 30 cubed. So the actual volume is 27,000 centimeters cubed. Okay, so therefore volume equals 27,000 centimeters cubed, and that's it. Okay, use one piece of information, find the side length, and then of course solve for the other piece of information. That's pretty much how a lot of these questions are set up.